Good morning to all 10th standard students. I am welcoming to you this video class. Today we are going to learn about the chemistry first chapter. It's name called chemical reaction and equation. This chapter we going to start before we learn something prevents knowledge of early classes. Means which class we learn? Class 6, 7, 8 and 9. That class inside what we want to know. The change means what? That knowledge is necessary for us. In class 9 we learn change means what? Change means something new substance created, something new things is created that we can say it is a change. Suppose examples we took. When a burning stick is there, the before position and after position inside, lot of the difference occurring that we can call it change. Second, we can say our balloon, we took the balloon examples. Balloon before position step is different. After adding the air, what will happen? That position is a totally different will be. This is a, we can say the change. And the change definition we made, so shortly methods, something new created, compound is created, substance is created, that we can call it is a change. Okay, today we are going to know the chemistry first chapters inside chemical reaction, how is going to work, and chemical reaction purpose, what changes is important is there. So without stopping, students we going to next page, that we can say types of change. Types of change. We previous classes inside what? Lot of the changes we think. Lot of the things we changes we observe. Slow changes is there, fast changes is there, and when reversible changes is there, non-reversible changes is there. But ninth class we will learn physical change and chemical change. Before this beginning the lessons, we want to know the physical change means what and chemical changes means what. The physical and chemical change both are helping to chemical reaction purpose. In chemical reaction inside, this both the change is very important role doing, that we want to know by the physical change means what and chemical changes means what. The shortly we are writing physical change and another is what? Chemical change. So physical changes inside what is going on and chemical changes inside what is going on, that we want to shortly know. The which change is the physical changes inside shortly definition will be physical changes always is what short time changes means a temporary changes also we can say, and this changes is not going to change the particular totally that compounds, that because this change is a short time change we can say. The physical changes inside, we observe the 3 points. That is first point what? Physical change is always a temporary change. Second, then the physical changes inside original substance. Whatever the original substance is there, that original substance we can get the in end of the reactions. Next we will learn about the third points. There inside we are knowing the physical changes inside not creating any new products. Suppose examples I will say, one magnet we took. This is what magnet is there, and this magnets, some another process what is the iron mills is there. Okay, this iron mills and magnet both are a different product is there. Iron different is there and magnet different is there. But when the changes inside what will happen is came to contact, when magnet iron is attracting where in near to magnet is what one type of change is happened. Then what is going on? After these reactions, again we can make the separate iron and separate magnet. This is the magnet and iron easily we can divide it. Suppose another example by helping the that examples afterwards what you are going to perfect know the what things is going on. My hand is what is the two one paper is there, white papers. You can observe properly, activity is there. Okay, this activity inside what you want to know. This is one hour what paper is there. Writing papers. You can say answer sheet also. This paper I cleared in two parts, two pieces inside. What will happen? It is the before position and after position inside what changes we observe. When we apply the gum or fevicols, again what will happen? This paper we can join it. Means fevical, what the physical changes inside what gum? Physical change is a temporary change. Physical changes inside not creating any new products. Old product what is the that we can get the end of the reactions. Means first using the gum, again we can test it this paper. So this is we learn about the physical changes inside. Now we are going to chemical changes. Second parts we are going to know. Chemical changes. The chemical changes inside what is going on? Chemical change is a permanent change. One time if change is happened, it is a finally. It is not a again is going to first product we get. It is not possible. One time change is happened, it is a permanent change. Always chemical changes inside. Always new product is forming. Always new product is forming. Chemical changes inside. First product what is there, original product what is there, that product we cannot get in end of the reaction. So friends, we have another examples I will show. This is matches sticks, you can use it. See the another examples of the chemical change. It is a paper you observed before time. It is a which color paper is the white color paper is it. When we start this paper burning, what will happen? This white paper is totally turned to which color? Black color. Again this paper is not possible to make whites. Means chemical change is what the saying for us. Chemical changes inside, one time if changes happen, that time change is what considered? It is a permanent change you can say. This is the white. So this is the black color of the ash of it is not possible to again make the white paper. Means whatever the chemical changes is going on, chemical changes inside it is a permanent change is going on. It is not a temporary change. So learn the property of the physical change and chemical change. Again one time I am going to revise it. The physical changes is a short time change. Physical changes inside not going on to create any new product. Physical changes inside, old product what is there, that can easily we can get the end of the reaction. But the chemical changes inside, second no, chemical change, this property also we are going to learn. The chemical changes inside, it is a permanent change. It is not possible. Second point is what is always new product is formed and end of the reactions what is going on. The first product what is there, that product we cannot get the end of the reaction. Examples we know, the burning of the candles, burning the paper, tearing the papers, food digestion and respirations. These like the examples of the physical changes and chemical changes we can observe. So next we are going to another bits that we called chemical reactions. This is the second bits in this chapters and very important, chemical reaction. So today we are going is a chemical reaction. How the chemical reaction is going on? It is not possible to without any touching of the other contents. It is not possible to create chemical reaction. Suppose what is the two responsible compound is very important is there, and then afterwards what will chemical reaction is going on. And these chemical reactions purpose physical and chemical change both are helping and producing what the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction inside what is any new compounds or any new product is forming, and before atoms bonds and present atom bonds inside a lot of the difference is there, and old bond is breaking and new bond and new substance is creating. It is called as a chemical reaction. So how is going on? We are knowing the first activity. NCERT textbooks are you following NCERT textbooks means activity number 1.1. Activity number 1.1. So activity number 1.1 inside, what is the aim of this activity? Why this activity is kept in first only the chemical reactions? Deeply we want to know that introduction, that how is going to a chemical reaction is created. This all purpose what the activity number 1.1 is very important, and this activity is what the aim what is there. What is our aim this activity? So this activity's aim is what is there? To show that burning of magnesium remain. To show that burning of magnesium remain in air, it's so with how the happening of the chemical reactions. Otherwise, what will happen when the magnesium remains burn in open place, other open area, or when the magnesium remains in burn in air? What will happen? This like a three aims inside. We are knowing the activity number 1. This activity purpose materials is requirements can be called apparatus. So short apparatus means the material requirements of this activity. I will show this activity purpose. One candle or burner necessary is there. This can be say tongue, isn't it? This we called a tongue, and this is a magnesium ribbon. This is called magnesium ribbon. This is the silver color of the contains is the magnesium ribbon, and it is a watch glass. Okay, it is a watch glass. So this magnesium remains is again sandpaper also very necessary for. First you want to take this magnesium remain 3 to 5 centimeter long. By help of the scissors we can make the cut it. Isn't it? This is a magnesium remain. This is the magnesium remain. And this is the 5 to okay. Sorry for disturbing this video. Next second video. Okay, this is a 3 to 5 centimeter long magnesium ribbon. This is the magnesium ribbon is there, and so many times exam inside the question is asked, what will happen when magnesium ribbon burn in air? That answer also this we activity inside going to know the all answer. So this activity purpose, whatever the materials I told you introduction, the first we took this magnesium ribbon. This magnesium ribbons we want to clean by help of the sandpaper. Sandpaper, we using the sandpaper water, cleaning the all parts by rubbing the all things upper surface, and this surface afterward whatever the dust particles is there, that dust particles we are going to remove it by using the sandpaper. When the totally dust particle is removed afterwards, the clean magnesium ribbon by help of the turn, this lights you want to keep in burner upside, otherwise candle upside. When the burning time, while designing flame inside, this magnesium ribbon is going to burn. See that white color of design flame is there, and magnesium and oxygen inside reaction is going on, and oxygen is a air inside we are getting, and magnesium and oxygen both inside reaction is happen, means what will happen? The magnesium oxide product we getting, it is a white color of the ash is there. This ash we can say it is a magnesium oxide, and this magnesium oxide, how we are writing the chemical formula, you want to see Mg plus O2, we are giving the heat, and what formula? MgO, means magnesium is came with contact with oxygen and product is called the magnesium oxide. When this reactions is now unbalanced and we want to make its balance, means how to writing going 2Mg plus O2 heat and 2MgO is the balance reactions. The magnesium and oxygen both inside reaction is happened, and magnesium oxide product is necessary there. Means chemical reaction purpose, two reactants, it is both we called reactants and it is we called a product. Both person means magnet also, magnesium also one element is there, and oxygen also another element is there. Both inside reaction is happening, means what a magnesium oxide is product is formed. So second activity we knowing, activity number 2.2. So this all activity number 1.1. Inside aim, observation, everything is be completed. And what the last first procedure, first 3 to 5 centimeter long magnesium ribbon we took, and that magnesium ribbon we cleaned by help of the sandpaper. Afterwards we by help of the turns, that magnesium ribbon we kept in where in burner upside, and wash glass inside we collected water magnesium oxide products. Okay, this is information about the magnesium observations. That is our procedure. Now observation, when the magnesium ribbon is started to burn, that time what white colors of designing flame is formed, the flame is producing, and last we came to finally conclusions. This activity ending. So activity ending what, when the magnesium is burning in air, magnesium oxide product we are collecting. This we are knowing the knowledge of this activity number 1.1. So second activity we are going to know, activity number activity 1.2. Aim. Aim is what is there? When metals reacting with acid, which gas is liberating? Otherwise, metal is reacting with acid, how the gases is liberating, that we want to know. This activity number 2. Activity number 2.2 purpose, the materials requirements, what is there? Apparatus, what is there? I will show. It is a conical flask, we can say. It is another, what is the? It is a gas tube also say. It is one whole cork inside this fixed is there, and this is a hydrochloric acids, and this is what zinc granules. This materials is a requirement for the activity number 2.1.2. So this activity procedure how is there I will tell only. First we wanted to take one clean conical flask we took and there inside add some pieces of zinc granules. I will show the zinc granules how is there. You want to see? This will be called as zinc granules, and the now zinc granules we are adding in where in a conical flask inside. Okay, few pieces of the zinc granules we add in this conical flask. Okay, second we can use it hydrochloric acid also, otherwise H2SO4 also. We are using here hydrochloric acid. It is a concentrated acid. And by help of the flask, see here, white repeatedly like gas is moving outside. The zinc granules and hydrochloric acid both inside reaction is going on, and hydrogen gas you see that hydrogen gas is moving there. It's we called when the acids and metals inside reaction is going on, hydrogen gas is liberating. This we are going the next second chapter inside also. Generally this activity is kept in this activity in first chapter inside that, but general information is given for you. So this procedure we learn. Now observation what is there? When zinc metals and hydrochloric acid and zinc metal inside reaction is happened, white liquid is formed and one gas is liberating. This observation will be done. And finally conclusion what is there? And conclusions what we learn. When the metal and acid inside reaction is happened, means what will happen? Hydrogen gas is liberating of this activity. So chemical reaction purpose, this like two activity important is there, that activity number 1 and activity number 2. This both activity inside we are learning the how the chemical reaction we want to write it. The chemical reactions we are writing the points also. Definition of the chemical reactions: a process in which one or more substance, is creating a different product inside, it's become called it is a chemical reaction. And chemical reactions is occurring by help of the chemical change. So this video inside the chemical reactions we learn. And next video is what the next video section inside we are going to know the how to represent a chemical reaction in the present of the methods. That is two methods inside chemical reaction is representing. One is a symbols inside, another is chemical names. So what is that we are going to next video class inside. Thank you one and all.